Welcome back to TmezTv today. We just pulled up to Tim Engler's shop, and let's see what Tim's got going on.
What's up, T-Man?
How's it going? Doing all right. You do much racing anymore, Hud? No more racing, huh?
2015, I run one race.
No kidding.
The whole way there, I already had River running go-karts. And the whole way there, I'm like, why am I doing this, you know?
Yeah.
So,
Gave it up to go racing with your kid, or just kind of got over... You didn't get over racing, because I see you got a race car still.
No, I like helping him and watching him.
Yeah, it's having kids is something. Yeah. Down here at the dyno, because that's what Tim does on a day-to-day basis. Came down here to pick up my gear bag, ultimately. You can see we got the race car back here. I got to hang out with Tim, talk a little bit about our plans for the future, the near future, I should say. Alright, so it's the winter time. We haven't had a whole lot of time to do much. You know, Tim's always working, and the weather sucks, so we haven't washed the car yet, but didn't hurt the car very bad in Tulsa. Pushed the frame a little bit when it got upside down. Kind of killed the air box, I think. I shouldn't say that. It smashed the air box as well. I'll come in with you. Better than 67,
Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of everything but the very last one.
How much power did it make from the last time you brought it here?
67 horse.
67 to 70 what?
75.6.
Oh, so it gained 9 horse?
9 horsepower.
Yeah,
Wow.
we ain't
That's
really
big
got
on
off it.
That's huge on a micro. Heck, that's big on a midget.
Yeah. Okay, so the last one is your blue one. So see, it still picked up torque, so I made almost 42 foot-pounds. It's like right here, we're just starting to go too rich here, but see, it's better everywhere else but right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go one more richer. Let's go to a 67 Sam in the main, and I'm gonna take the high speed off, and I'm gonna pull a couple shims out of it and see if we can flatten this out here. Now, also, while we got, here's what's cool about these, Thomas. You can go over here and you can hit view last run, and we can, this is basically like what we do with our other deal, except we can look at our air fuel ratio or lambda.
Oh, yeah, because they got the AFR on this?
Yes.
You could have AFR on yours too. You just need to put it on there and time it.
I know it. We could. We could, and we might.
It couldn't hurt, right?
So you can take this yellow line right here, and you look, and that's 91. It's damn near perfect on for a restrictor, but we're going to richen it. We're going to go a little smaller, like you got that 72 pill and a high speed. We're going to probably put a 68 in there. So see right here, now we're coming down, we're 84, which they call perfect lamba on an alcohol engine's 85, but on a restrictor we have the little bitty hole they're breathing through. They need to be higher than that up on the top end, because it's like us breathing through a straw. And then down here, right here, you see that's 8600. Now then we'll go back over here And you're going to see our dip right here is roughly in the 85, 8600. So we're just a little bit too rich right in this area right here, so then we want to bring that up. Now granted, the richening in our main is hurting that because you're richening the whole curve, but we're going to try to take the shims out of the high speed and fix that.
Can we get the high speed on? Yeah.
Was good. Going back to that 70 was a mistake. So let's go to a 66. Let's put a 66 in high speed, but leave our shims alone because now we got that nice.
Yep.
So now we're going to just work on getting this up, and then once we get our fuel right, then I'll play with the timing and we'll bring it up hopefully some more.
Gotcha. So leave the shims the same. 66.
We'll leave the shims the same. I'll get you a 66.
All right, so down here at Engler's, he's got the dyno, he builds injection, which means he's really knowledgeable of fuel. So Hudcone's got his micro down here, and they're running it on the micro, going through the paces, trying to tune this thing and get it better. Before the shootout, he brought it down here, and it only made like 67 horsepower. Well, now it's making 75, so that's huge. He had an issue, and a lot of times you can find your issue on the dyno, so that's one of the nice things about bringing it to the dyno. Hey, as always, I just want to say thank you so much for watching TmezTv, and if you could, please go like and subscribe. It really helps out with this free content that I give you guys. And I would say go check out Shop Tmez, but I sold 600 shirts at the Chili Bowl, shirts and hoodies and hats. I literally sold everything I brought, thinking I was gonna have something when I came back, but I don't. So thank you so much for buying merch at the Chili Bowl. Well, that is a wrap on my day at the shop, because it is time to go get my kids from school. Hey, as always, thanks so much for watching TmezTv. Don't forget to go like and subscribe.